In this tutorial, we will see the different options in the bending toolbar. How engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. So share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Firstly, set the Sheetmetal Parameters, and then let's go ahead and create two walls so that we can apply the bending on that. We have created our first wall. Select the ZX plane and go ahead and create the next wall. When you create this wall, just make sure that you are leaving a small gap. Create the next wall here. Now, in the bending toolbar, select the normal bending. Select the two supports here. Try clicking on the preview and you can see that a bend is being created in between the two walls. If you need to increase the radius, you could go for right click and then delete, and then you can give another radius that you would like. Click on OK. As you can see here, there is no relief. So if you would like a relief, you can always double click on the Sheetmetal Parameters, go for bend extremities and provide the relief. So as you can see now, there is a relief. You also have an option to apply a cylindrical bend, a conical bend I mean. So let's try to give a conical bend on the same sheet metal. Click on the down arrow and go ahead and select the conical bend option. Select the two supports. In this case, let's try changing the value for 5 and 10 mm. Let's see the result. As you can see, there is a conical bend. On this side it's 5 mm and this side the radius is 10 mm. We have one more option to create bend from flat. So let's just go ahead and create another rectangular sketch and apply the wall. And then we will click on the sheet metal and just create a line here. Exit the sketch, and in this case, after selecting the bend from flat, you have an option to select the profile. As you have selected the profile, a fixed point is selected automatically. Let's see what happens. If you click on the preview, you can see that this particular point is fixed, and that's the one which is moving. So if you click here once, you can select this as the fixed point and just try it. So you have an option to even change the angle value to maybe 120 degrees. As you can see, this is how you can use the bend from flat option. Now let's try one more option. So for explaining you that, I will delete this conical bend and I will use the bend from flat. And I'll give around 10 mm of bend here, and sometimes you need to create a cutout on the bend. So for doing that, you will have to sometimes unfold the sheet metal, and after that you can click on the sketch and create the sketch however you need. Exit the sketch and go for insert, cutting and cutout. Select the sketch. The sketch is already selected. Click on the preview, click on OK, Now again, if you click on the fold, you can see that the cutout is being created. Creating cutouts is coming in the upcoming tutorials, but folding and unfolding is what I wanted to explain you, so the cutout came as a part of it. So that's about the bending toolbar. I hope you enjoyed. Keep watching.